Hi guys, what's up? So I am back with another video. I thought I would do an apartment tour just because I've now been in this place for about 6 weeks, I would say. This is a very realistic house tour. I've got washing on the line, which I do most days. There's a little bit of dog hair on the floor because although I sweep and mop daily, my dog is losing his winter hair ready for summer, and I'm in my PJs because if I'm at home, then I'm in my PJs. So yeah, so I'm just gonna jump into it. So we're gonna start off at the entrance. So I'm in my little hallway here. I've got the dog in front of me. He tends to lay there a lot, and my shoes. I normally have a pair of shoes there from when I walk him. To my left, we have this photo frame, which doesn't have pictures in it yet, to hang up the keys. And to my right, we have the electrical box, the telecom, and these two signs here. One says Menorca and one says the beach is where my heart is. The beach was where my heart is from Primark, and the Menorca one is from our trip there. And then to the left is the kitchen. So I've got a Fanta bottle on the floor to stop the door from slamming. My table to the left, we want to get a TV to just put in front of the table. Not my idea. I don't like the TV in a kitchen, but my partner is what he grew up with. So this is our kitchen. Everything's brand new. We moved in 6 weeks ago and everything was put in this year. The fridge and microwave and oven came with the flat. Which, as you can see, they've done it very modern. And then the kettle and toaster I bought from Amazon. So I've just got a Russell Hobbs kettle, which I love the fact it lights up. And our Murphy Richards 4-slice toaster. And our sink. I'm just defrosting some food there. And then another quirky thing that I love about this house is it's all doors. There's no windows other than this one right here. So you've got the window going out to our little patio area. Like I said, I have got washing hung up. Just the washing machine and the sink, the mops and brushes, where I can hang my washing out, which again, this is a very large area. And then we've also got Yako's dog bowls and my beach bag, because now that it's getting to summer, I tend to go to the beach at least 3 or 4 times a week. And we've just got our mint plant here, which something seems to be the matter with it. But we're going to see if we can revive it this weekend. We've still got the stickers on our fridge and oven. I just haven't gotten around to doing it really. Then moving on to the living room. So we've just got these 3 canvases here, which I got painted especially for me. This 6-seat dining room table. So all of the furniture was here already. They bought it for us moving in. And then it's just like the small quirky things that are ours. So like this little dish here I got from the Spanish version of a Pound World, and my hurricanes for my candles are from Amazon again. This picture the landlady actually bought us as like a welcome to your home type thing, but I'm not going to be using it. It's just not my style. And then there is the living room area. So we have got Yako's bed, which will be going soon because it's almost summer and we get rid of his bed for summertime. Our sofa, which I've just put this grey cover over because, as you can tell here at the bottom, it's a beige colour and I just don't like beige. Curtains were also beige and I've switched them to these ombre grey velvet ones. And that is what our TV unit looks like. I don't want to set my hair on fire here. This picture, I don't actually know where it's from. I think Leroy Merlin. And then we've just got book, books and plants and pictures. As you can see, I'm really into like this turquoise and grey vibe with Buddhas and elephants. This little table I did buy just because there wasn't a side table. And as you can see, it works as a basket too. Excuse that, I was sat watching TV. All of the cushions are from Primark. I love the crushed velvet ones. They're massive and I don't tend to use them for sitting, but they are comfy. And then, excuse my windows, we've had really bad rain. And as you can see, it's looking a little bit grey. And I don't want to clean them if it's going to rain again. So we have got a small balcony here. Just a tiny little balcony. So technically we've got 3 outside areas with the balcony where the washing's hung out and our terrace. Yako has switched positions again to make sure he's in the shot. And then moving down the hallway, we have 2 bathrooms and 3 bedrooms. So the hallway at the minute is plain. And then we've got this small room, which is more of our guest bathroom, which my last guest seems to have left the toilet roll like that. But I do tend to hinge it and fold the corners in. We are waiting for the glass for this shower, but it has to be custom made to size, like so. And then further down the hallway on the right, we have our bathroom. Oh, hi there in my dressing gown. So again, the toilet brushes, soap and toothbrush holder we already had from our last flat. The shower mat is from Primark and it's great to have a bathtub again. So this is like the bigger bathroom, which on my camera it's looking actually quite small, but it is quite spacious. And then right next to this big bathroom, we've got our bedroom. So like I said, we don't have windows in this house. It is all doors. So we've got all 3 bedrooms lead onto our terrace. I will do a more detailed bedroom tour and maybe a wardrobe tour. This blanket's from Primark, that cushion's from Primark, and those 4 are from eBay. And then I've just got my salt lamp, my mirror and my necklaces. And I'll go out to the terrace in just a little bit. And then this is the second bedroom, which at the minute is kind of like a little bit of a walk-in wardrobe, but not quite. So this is my chest of drawers, but it's only got my bikinis and jumpers in it, and that is Christian's chest of drawers, which has all of his clothes in it. And then we have this, which was our TV unit in the old flat, but it's just got like stuff for the bathroom and things like that. Our washing basket, and then a sofa bed. Also, the sofa that is in the living room also turns into a double bed. So we've got plenty of room for people that want to come and stay. And most Spanish apartments are quite small and the bedrooms tend to be quite small, but this is really, really spacious. And then lastly, this is the third room, which is also a guest room. And this room smells so new. I think we've probably been in it about 3 times, and it's only been to get the duvet to go sit on the sofa. So it still smells of brand new and a little bit of bleach. It's got the desk with its shelf. It's the only one with this like rolly blind. And then again, we've got the 1 and 2 beds. And this one does have a wardrobe. The middle bedroom is the only one without a wardrobe. And then right there, the white chest of drawers, or one of them, will fit very nicely. And then lastly, we have our private terrace. So all 3 bedrooms lead onto this terrace. Excuse the pallets, I'm going to make pallet sofas and a pallet table. But this terrace is all ours, completely private. We want to put a barbecue and a dining room table and maybe a swimming pool up here, because we definitely have the space. So that is our private terrace.